Ron Sanggalang of Graphic City. Hello everyone.
Hello, Graphic City!
This is my friend.
This is my boss, Boss Jock! The best in the West, idol!
And this is what we do the whole day. Tarpaulin printing, name it. So, what are we going to talk about today? If you want to learn some graphics using Photoshop, CorelDRAW, name it. I'm the man.
Yes! Idol!
Because I'm the only one here.
You're the only one
Yes.
who will make the layout.
Yeah. And my friend who will do all the talking.
Talk shit ka ako.
He talk to the ladies.
He talk too
come
much.
over here. When the guys come over here, he doesn't talk to them. When it comes to ladies,
He talk too much.
he was a faster than lightning. And that was this is our tarpaulin printer. And this is my second video. Hope you have patience to look at me. We are printing election tarpaulin for campaign for this coming election.
Ano sir? Patawag ka